Hello everyone, my name is James Carpenter, Country Living, and today we got a project. We're going to build another shelving unit. This shelving unit is going to hold small bins about so big, and there'll be a bunch of cavities, and there'll be a couple at the bottom that are larger for bulk storage. So let's get started. This is 10 1/8. It's the spacer to make sure the shelves are the proper distance apart. Okay, so now I'm going to move the spacer and do the next shelf. These totes are what I get the deck screws in. So to recycle these containers, they'll go into these bins, or if I'm stocking, I can use them for that. Okay, so let's put our next shelf on there. All right, so we're gonna draw a straight line here. That allows us to get our finish nails in the right position. Okay, so I've got a little spacer board here. I use this clamp to clamp it in place. And what this does is it keeps everything perfectly spaced. I'm marking the center of the upright. Then I draw my line. And then I shoot my nails. All right, so this is where we're at right now with the shelf. Let me get the little plastic tote. This is only one, obviously. We're gonna have many more. And they're gonna go in there like that. So we'll continue this tomorrow. I'm done for today. Okay, it's a brand new day. We're gonna get back to building the shelf. I want to show you how we're cutting these spacer boards. Okay, so this board here is clamped to the saw to be precisely 4.5 inches. So let me show you how that's going to be done. All right, so we did a little sub-assembly. And we'll fit that down into here. Made the decision to put another board on the outside. So these are our uprights, and this is a solid board. And that will continue up like so. Now the reason I did this is to keep everything square and plumb. So let's continue. All right, we're gonna drill some pilot holes. We're gonna put some deck screws in here to really tighten it up. Okay, it's finished. It's sitting right beside the shelf we built the other day. That video is on my channel if you want to see it. Now we've got all them little compartments, and I'll have to go on Amazon and buy more of these. And then down here at the bottom, remember earlier in the video I said we got bulk storage. So we got the bulk storage, and then we'll have all the fasteners and stuff in these little totes. And now we got a shelving unit to hold all that. I want to thank you for watching my videos. I hope you enjoyed it. And again, that's all scrap lumber. And those blue uprights, scrap. The only thing that cost me money was the deck screws and the finish nails. Other than that, pretty cheap unit.